Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 7 of 45 days DAX challenge. In this video I am going to discuss lookup value function in DAX. Fine. So be with me till end of this video and I make sure you will have clear understanding of what lookup value does in Power BI and in which case you should use lookup value. Okay. So without any further delay, let's jump to Power BI desktop and see lookup value function in a very detailed way. So here I'm at Power BI desktop. As you could see, we have taken two tables. One is sales table, another one is delivery tables. I'll show you these two tables. Okay, but before, if I tell you the definition, what lookup value does in Power BI, so it fetch a single value from a column in another table by matching value in one or more column, even if the table are not related in model. The important line here is the table are not related in model. In that case, we can use lookup value function. If tables are related, we cannot use lookup value function. In Power BI, we have some other function which we will discuss in some other days. And if you are an Excel guy, then I must say that lookup value function is same as what VLOOKUP does in Excel. Okay, so here you can use lookup value if there is no relation between these two tables. So as you could see, we don't have any relation between sales table and delivery tables. In sales table we have 6 column: order date, order ID, product, quantity and order date. Okay, and in delivery tables we have 2 column: delivery date and order ID. So what is our task? Our task is to copy this delivery date based on order ID in sales table. Okay, here order ID is matching in both the table, so we will we will copy delivery date column from delivery tables in sales table using order ID, which are common in both the table. Fine. Before we move forward, if you are here for the first time, so don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you are a data aspirant or looking for job change or looking to switch your career in data field, then I have created one separate Telegram group. The link is in the description. You can go and join, where I post interview questions, job openings and everything related to data. Okay, so yeah, without any delay, let's look what lookup value does in Power BI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one new column. So I'll click on this. Here column name I'm going to say, let's say delivery date. Okay, so in short I'll say d date equal to lookup value. See, first asking for result column name. Okay, that is nothing but like which column you want to copy. So I want to copy delivery date, which is in delivery table, as you could see here on the second position. Second is search column name, that is nothing but the delivery date which is in delivery table. You are copying based on which column, like here we have order ID which is common in both the tables. So in this case we are copying delivery date which in delivery table and order ID which is in order table. Okay, based on order ID, because order ID is matching in both the table, sales as well as delivery table. Third one is search value, like in which table you want to copy, and please give the matching column. So here in this case matching column is order ID of sales table. Okay, sales table order ID. If I press enter, see, you got desired output. As you could see, order ID 1001, delivery date is 23rd June 2023, and order ID 1002, delivery date is 28. So here you could see. Fine. So what we did is we have just copied this delivery date which is in delivery table in the sales table. Okay, and we are sure that there is no any relation between this sales table and delivery table in model view. Okay, if is there any relation, then we have to use some other function. I hope you understood. Still, if you have any doubt, don't forget to comment your doubt in the comment section. I'll look each and every doubt. Till then, take care, and yeah, I'm going to meet tomorrow with some new DAX function. Don't forget to comment which DAX function you want to learn on next day. Okay, yeah, so take care. I'll meet soon. Till then, bye.